Today's video is the blindfolded animal challenge. So if you haven't heard of this before, what you're gonna do is pick one of these out of here. They'll all say an animal on. So after we've picked it, we make sure no one else can see it, and we don't tell them what it is, and we just put it down somewhere safe and somewhere where no one can see it.